If you're a YouTuber planning of designing your YouTube thumbnail, or you actually want to clone someone else's thumbnail in your niche, so one of the major challenges we face is the fact that if you go over to YouTube to download the thumbnail directly, it is very difficult for you to be able to get the thumbnail, or you can actually use other third-party websites which actually come with a lot of ad and annoying image in bad quality. So I'm going to show you a platform that can allow you to download your YouTube thumbnail in 2K resolution. This is one of the YouTube video you want to download the thumbnail. So all you have to do is to copy the URL of the video, copy the URL, then come over to this website which is called clickvane.com. So this website is all-in-one tool that you can use as a content creator. It has a lot of tools that is needed, like script writing, AI thumbnail generator, like chapter, like AI dubbing generator, like banner generator. So it has a lot of tools that is needed as a content creator. So all you have to do is to come over to this section over here, then actually locate thumbnail downloader for you to download your YouTube thumbnail in high resolution, which is about 2K in resolution. So I'm going to copy the URL of the video, so then click on get the YouTube thumbnail. So as you can see, we are going to get the YouTube thumbnail in 2K resolution, which is very high quality. So as you can see, we have different variation of your YouTube thumbnail. So this is the best quality, and if you actually want to download the one that is not so good, like the lowest quality, which is about 640 by 480, we have different variation. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be downloading the best quality, which is the 2K resolution. Then click on download. So this is very simple tutorial on exactly how you can download your YouTube thumbnail in high resolution, which is about 2K resolution. And if you find this video helpful, ensure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and ensure you actually register on this platform, because this platform have a lot of tools you need, like video to test, like script generator, thumbnail generator, YouTube chapter generator, title generator, and a different tool you need to actually create a better YouTube and be able to grow your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching today's video. Ensure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.